2022 Ford Maverick fuses. Fuse precautions. Always disconnect the battery before servicing high current fuses. Now, to reduce the risk of electrical shock, always replace the cover to the power distribution box before reconnecting the battery or refilling the fluid reservoirs. And always replace the fuse with one that has the specified amperage rating. Using a fuse with a higher amperage rating can cause severe wire damage and could start a fire. Under the hood fuse box. Now, locating the under the hood fuse box and assessing the under the hood fuse box. Now, let's check out underneath the hood right here. You can see this is the location of the fuse box. And you can see right the air box right here, and the fuse box is located right here. Now, assessing the under hood fuse box, pull the latch toward you and remove the top cover. Now, pull the connector lever upward, and the connector lever is right here. Pull the connector upward to remove it. And that's 3. You have to pull it to remove it. You have to pull it upward. And pull both latches toward you to remove the fuse box. Turn the fuse box over and open the lid. Identifying the fuses in the underhood fuse box. These are the fuses right here. And then you have the fuse number here. You have 1, which is not used. And then you have 2, which is the driveline control module right here. And then you have 3, the horn, which is right there. 4, the auxiliary heater for the hybrid electric vehicle. And then you have 5 and 6 are not used. And you have 7, the auxiliary heater. And 7 is located right here. So these are basically all the fuse. You have the starter motor, the powertrain, control module, which is 11. And we can go to find out where 11 is right here. Anti-lock braking system, which is 19. And we can go and find 19 right here. So you have all of these fuses. They're all together. Air conditioning compressor, powertrain control module, anti-lock brake system, powertrain control module, hybrid electric vehicles, adaptive cruise control, which is 21, and 21 is there. And so you have all of these numbers, and if you ever curious, you just go back and check the manual, and it also tells you where these fuses are located, all the way up to 89, which is not used. And we'll go and find out where 89 is. 89, which is not used, as you can see. These are all the fuses and all the locations, from the amplifier to the blower motor, or the stop lamp switch. Now, the body control module fuse box. Now, locating the body control module fuse box. And as you see, the body control module fuse box, we can locate it right here. Now assessing the body control module fuse box. I'm trying to see exactly where this is located, but they don't do a really good job with showing you a big picture. They're just showing you this. Is obviously located in the engine compartment. Identifying the fuses in the body control module fuse box. Circuit breakers. Here you have 1, 2. You have the auto dimming interior mirrors. And this is the, I think this must be located inside of the truck. But it doesn't tell you where from looking at Looking at this picture, we'll continue to go down, but these are the different fuses: auto dimming interior mirrors, ignition switch, moonroof, parking assist control, telematics control unit module, driver door lock, driver door module, wireless accessory charging module. But this one is usually located inside of the vehicle, and a lot of time it's located in the right near the A pillar. You usually find this, but here they're not showing you a big enough picture. But I'm thinking that is the location. Don't know yet. If you guys know, go ahead and write in the comments. You can tell me exactly where you think it may be. Now, identifying the fuses type. Now you have A, the micro. You have B, the micro 3. You have C, the maxi. You have D, the mini. You have E, the M case. You have F, the J case. So these are the different fuses for the 2022 Ford Maverick. And let's make this smaller again, and let's make it bigger. Actually, what happened, I ended up going down and making this smaller for some reason. I think I accidentally touched the wrong part, but we'll get to the fuses in a second. Let's scroll back down. And the fuses are located. We're getting close and closer. And then we can go through a recap for these fuses. Talking about the toe. And again, the fuses, the fuse precautions. This is the engine and the airbox fuse. The assessing the locating the under the hood fuse box, and the other one is inside of the Maverick. Those are automotive reviews, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe, and have an awesome and terrific day.
Is a new kind of pickup, versatile and capable, built for makers and doers, stunningly fuel efficient and built for tough. It's the truck for people who never knew they needed a truck. Here's everything you need to know about the all-new Ford Maverick in just 3 minutes. Maverick is the first ever standard full hybrid truck. Maverick comes standard as a 5-passenger, 4-door pickup available in XL, XLT, and Lariat trim levels. The standard 2.5-liter hybrid has a targeted EPA estimated rating of 40 miles per gallon in the city and 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas. The truck bed is a makerspace. This flex bed system offers all kinds of organization and DIY solutions, like vertical and horizontal slots for 2x4 and 2x6 boards that you can use to build your own bike racks, service bed dividers, or any number of other solutions. A multi-position tailgate and 10 available tie downs to secure your items. 2 available 110-volt outlets, one in the cabin and one in the bed, can power phones, tools, and electronics. And a standard electric 12-volt DIY pre-wire package in the bed can be used for wiring lights, and a 4.5-foot bed, 6 feet with the tailgate down, can help haul bikes, furniture, or that next DIY project you're working on. Maverick has a lower ride height, which makes getting in and out a breeze. And most adults can reach over the side and easily grab whatever you need. It has a max payload capacity of 1,500 pounds and standard towing capacity of 2,000 pounds. And of course, Maverick is built for tough. The available 2-liter EcoBoost engine, which provides optional all-wheel drive, also has an available max towing package of 4,000 pounds. Maverick is built with smart technology like a standard embedded modem, which allows you to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle from your Ford Pass app. The standard 8-inch touchscreen also provides seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 5 selectable drive modes to help enhance performance and confidence in various driving conditions. It has Ford Copilot 360 technology like standard automatic emergency braking and auto high beams, as well as available adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane centering, and evasive steering assist capabilities. This truck was designed with smart storage solutions to accommodate how people live. Like there's a place to store a tall 1-liter water bottle. Store your gear in the large bins under the rear seat, door pockets for stashing laptops or tablets, and bed storage for things like tools or rope. Maverick boasts a tight turning radius and compact size for easy driving and parking around the city. Maverick has city maneuverability with truck functionality. The truck is ingeniously designed to be customized inside and out to suit your lifestyle, and it delivers on the built Ford top durability and capability you expect. Finally, the all-new Ford Maverick starts at just under 20 grand.
This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. Have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.